The next full moon is the strawberry, mead, honey, rose, flower, hot, hoe, or planting moon, Vat Purnima, Poson Poya, the LRO moon, and a marginal supermoon. The next full moon will be on Thursday afternoon, June 24, 2021, appearing opposite the Sun in Earth-based longitude at 2:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time. While this will be on Thursday for much of the Earth, from India Standard Time eastward to Line Islands Time, and the International Dateline, this will be on Friday morning. The moon will appear full for about 3 days around this time, from early Wednesday morning through early Saturday morning. One moon. Many names. In the 1930s, the Maine Farmer's Almanac began publishing Native American names for the full moons of the year. According to this almanac, the Algonquin tribes of what is now the northeastern United States called this the strawberry moon. The name comes from the relatively short season for harvesting strawberries in the northeastern United States. An old European name for this full moon is the Mead Moon or honeymoon. Mead is a drink created by fermenting honey mixed with water and sometimes with fruits, spices, grains, or hops. In some countries, mead is also called honey wine, though in others honey wine is different. Some writings suggest that the time around the end of June was when honey was ready for harvesting, which made this the sweetest moon. The word honeymoon traces back to at least the 1500s in Europe. The tradition of calling the first month of marriage the honeymoon may be tied to this full moon because of the custom of marrying in June or because the honeymoon is the sweetest moon of the year. Another European name for this full moon is the rose moon. Some sources indicate the name rose moon comes from the roses that bloom this time of year. Others indicate that the name comes from the color of the full moon this time of year. The orbit of the moon around the Earth is almost in the same plane as the orbit of the Earth around the Sun, only about 5 degrees off. On the summer solstice, the Sun appears highest in the sky for the year. Full moons are opposite the Sun, so a full moon near the summer solstice will be low in the sky. Particularly for Europe's higher latitudes, when the full moon is low it shines through more atmosphere, making it more likely to have a reddish color, for the same reasons that sunrises and sunsets are red. For the Washington, D.C. area, on the morning of June 25, 2021, the full moon will reach its highest for the night at 1:39 a.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time, only 24.6 degrees above the southern horizon, the lowest full moon of the year. Other seasonal names for this full moon that I have found mentioned in various sources, sometimes with European and sometimes with Native American origins that I have not yet been able to check up on, are the flower moon, hot moon, Hoe Moon, and planting moon. For Hindus, this full moon corresponds with Vat Purnima,